Humpback whales have a rather quirky hunting technique. They blow bubbles, lots of bubbles. Whales form a ring of bubbles underwater. This mystical bubble net confuses the tiny fish. The fish are trapped and disoriented. Whales swim up through the bubble tunnel. A big gulp captures the fish feast. Bubble netting can involve teamwork. Whales synchronize their bubble blowing perfectly. It's a whale-sized group effort. This technique is passed down generations. Whales teach each other the bubbly hunt. Who knew bubbles were such deadly weapons? Humpbacks are marine strategists, indeed. Even the fish seem stunned by bubbles. Nature's creativity never ceases to amaze.